groups, filters, and presets. Tailor the tool to you. Dealavo is a price monitoring, dynamic pricing, and e-commerce analytics tool that helps online stores and brands increase sales performance and profit margin. When you log into the Dealavo application, you see the product panel where you have a lot of data. In this video, I will show you how to efficiently manage and arrange all the data to make it easier to analyze. There are a number of filters and options available in the tool so that you can efficiently control the product panel and your view. Above the panel, you have the column view. Here you can choose which columns you want to see in the product panel and which ones you want to hide. For example, you can hide the average price and leave only your price and the lowest price available in the market, if that's what you're interested in. Now, product groups, they are visible next to a product and on the left side of the application. These can be, for example, product categories, products promoted in Google Ads, or products from a specific promotion. A product can be assigned to product groups already from the product feed that is uploaded into the app. Or you can create a product group at any time within the app and add selected products to the group. You can also set filters for a specific sales channel and choose whether to focus on a cross-section of the entire market or on a specific channel, for example, Amazon or Google Shopping. Specific products can be found easily using text search. You can also see the number of competitive offers. The default setting in the application is that all offers are shown, but you can reduce that manually or with the slider. Sets of filters that you set up and want to use more often can be saved as presets. You can name a specific set of filters that you want to use and easily return to the specific view in the application. With the Reset button, you can disable all filters that were previously set in the tool and see the initial view. That's all about our in-app customizations. You can see more information and other features of the tool in other videos in our knowledge base and on our YouTube channel. I also encourage you to arrange a price monitoring consultation with one of our experts and to try a free demo account of our platform. The link is below the video. See you soon!